morning, amazing pupils. How are we today? I hope we had a lovely night rest. Okay, so our subject today is grammar, and we'll be looking at a new topic, which is called homophones. Now, previously we looked at various topics like simile. We looked at antonyms and synonyms. So today, or this week rather, we are going to be looking at homophones. Now, homophones are very interesting, and I would like you to pay a good attention to what I'm about to say. What are homophones? Homophones are words that have the sound the same. They have the same sound. They sound the same, but have different spellings and different meanings. That means they must sound alike, the same, they sound the same, but they have different spellings and they mean different thing, or they have different meaning. I move to the next slide. Okay. So here are some examples. Let me move my camera up. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so here are some examples I've written. The first one is two, two, two. You see, they sound the same, but if you observe carefully, the spellings are different, and they also mean different thing entirely. We'll come back to that. Now, Number two is one and one. Now, one as a number and one, that's past tense for win. They won the competition game. That's maybe a game you do, or something you have a bet with something to run a race or to do a track, just like we did during our inter-house sport, and some team won and got a reward for it. All right. The next one we have, is night and night. I remember talking about this when we studied the long I sound. I said the night with the K, because the K is silent, so it's pronounced alike, means a warrior. And the other night is just like an event of the day. The day, the morning, the day, the afternoon, and it gets dark and it becomes night. So it has to do with how bright the day is. Now, number 4 is flour and flour. Some people call it flour. It's not flour, actually, it's flour. Now, flour can be a gift or a love scenting object you give to somebody for a birthday or an appreciation or something. It's just a gift. It could be anything depending on the intention towards the flower. But the second flower, which is the flour, which some people call as flour, it's not flour but it's flour. It's what we use to make our cake, our chin, every pastries generally, basically, donuts, hamburger, all those things. Now we are going to list 3 more. We're going to list 4 more. Okay, I wrote 3 here, so we're going to list 3 more and see. Can we try? Who is going to give me? Try. Okay, and I have one. I have waist, waist. I put my hyphen and waist. Now, what does this mean? Can someone help me? Oh, great. Okay, so waist, waist, means waist. That is your body, your waist, which is before your thigh. So your waist, which is a part of the body, and the waste, waste, is the trash, your garbage. Your garbage is the waste. Now let's try another one. Number 6. I need to move my cursor down. Good. Number 6, we have C, hyphen, and C. C and C. C, S-E-A, and S-E-E. Now, the S-E-A means the ocean, the sea. But the S-E-E, C, means I'm looking at you. I can see you. It means to see someone, to look at somebody. Good job. Let's try another one. We have 8 and 8. I move my cursor up again. Good. And I write ATE, 8 and 8. The same thing. The same sound, different spelling and different meaning. Good. Now the first 8, which is ATE, is an action word. That's a process of eating something. The past tense of eat is ate. Why the other 8 is A. I don't mind the way I'm putting 8. I'm just stylishing it. The other one I put EIGHT is number. Show me the number 8 on your finger. That's 8. So let's try. Okay, let's do the last one. Or maybe someone could help me. I'm going to give you a worksheet that has some of these words. So you're going to try to sound some of them and see which of the sounds fit in into each other. Remember, homophones are words that have same sound, different meaning, and different spelling. But we have a particular one we're going to be looking at, which is the 2. Which is the 2, 2, and 2. I move my slide. Good. Now the first one is the 2. The first 2, TO, is a preposition that shows the position or direction of something. I move my camera. It shows the position of something or the direction of something. Example, if I could say, where's my cursor? Good. Where are the girls going to? And that's a question sentence, so it goes with a question mark. Remember, we did punctuation mark, so you cannot do without punctuation mark. Note that. Okay, where are the girls going to? That's telling us the direction. We are asking of the direction of the children, of the girls. Another one we could have, can we all go to the movies tonight? Tonight. That's another question. That's asking if we can go somewhere. So 2 shows the direction, tells us the direction of something or somewhere. Let me arrange my words. I need to arrange it properly. Yes, that's it. The next one we are going to be looking at is the TOO. TOO. That's 2 also. The 2 represents also. It can replace the word also or quantity. Now, I can give an example. When I say quantity, maybe how much more is this? How much more did you put this into this? For example, remember we use salt to cook, so I could say there is too much, that's quantity, salt in the food. There's too much salt in the food. Remember, punctuation marks. Miss Bola has almost forgotten hers. You put your punctuation marks, full stop. Good. There is too much salt in the food. Well done, Miss Bola. Now we can have another sentence saying that reflects also. We can say we would be joining. Okay, let me move my camera. Okay, we'll be joining my family at the museum too. That means we also, remember I said represent also, will be joining our family. We is more than one, so it could be I and my sister, or I am my friends and I. It depends on who are these we I'm talking about. But just know that we involves indicates more than one. So we'll be joining. Oh, there's a typo error here. We'll be joining my family at the museum too. So that's how to use the word to. That's our focus for our class. Now, the last but not the least is the other two as a number. The other two as a number. We could say, could you please pass me the two bags? Could you please could you please pass the two bags? Could you please pass the two bags to me? Could you please pass the two bags? I'm requesting for something, so it goes with a question mark. Could you please pass the two bags to me? It means two, you can count them. It's a number, so you can count that. There's a one, there's a bag that indicates one, there's another bag that makes it two. So I'm asking you to please pass both bags to me. Or we could also have, who can try? Is somebody trying for me? Okay, I can have, I would love you to buy two baby dolls for my niece. I would love you to buy two baby dolls for my niece. Did you see that? Yes. I would love you to buy two baby dolls for my niece. That is, I want two, not just one. I'm being specific. Remember, two is a number. Two means a number. I would love you to buy two baby dolls for my niece. Good. So that's our emphasis for the class. I would like you to try out some more examples. I'm going to send worksheets on using the word to. I've explained and I've given examples on how to use them so you don't get confused, because I'll be giving you a story passage and you try to fit in where the two as a preposition, the two as in quantity, and the two as a number where they should fit in. Yes. As for the other ones, pairing of words, all you need to do is to find list of words in the boxes that makes the same sound as the word given in the question and see if it fits in together. Do not forget, in summary, that homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings All right, thank you very much, and enjoy the worksheet. Bye.